in your eyes, what differentiates the high level athletes from the guys that, or the girls that almost make it?
If we're going to compare two people that have the same talent level, it's knowing their body, knowing what works for them, not emulating someone else just because that person did this or this person did that. Making sure the nutrition's on point, their biomechanics are on point, their sleep is on point, having the dedication to meditate, to do breathing exercises. They're looking at competition and being successful in their sport in a very holistic manner. It's not just about going to a gym and lifting X amount of weight. It's about recognizing that being the best athlete means being the best that they can be as a person. And so they're looking at all aspects of their life, not only to bring energy and bring themselves to performing at their best, but also what can be taking away energy and also addressing that too. So my best athletes that I deal with are people that meditate, people that sleep great, people that eat great, people that really pay attention to their biomechanics.